Hi everyone and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to seamlessly embed your custom GPT chatbot onto your Wix website. By the end, you'll have your chatbot live and interactive for visitors, giving your site a professional edge and enhancing the way you engage with customers. Whether you're building a portfolio, running an e-commerce shop, or simply want to offer instant customer support, adding a chatbot can make a world of difference. So let's get right into it. First, let's begin by heading over to your Wix website. Go ahead and open the Wix editor for the site you want to add your chatbot to. If you haven't logged in yet, just take a moment to do that now. It's always best to work from a computer since the editor provides more options and flexibility there. Once you're in, you'll see your site laid out in sections. Just choose the page or section where you want your chatbot to appear. For example, if you wanted to greet visitors on your homepage or offer assistance on your contact page, keep that in mind. Next up, we want to add a new element to the page. Look to the left-hand sidebar in the Wix editor. You'll see the Add Elements button. It often looks like a little plus sign or says Add Outright. Click on that and a whole menu of elements will pop up: text, image, buttons, galleries, apps, and more. We're after something a little different, something that will let us put custom code on the site. So scroll until you find the Embed Code option. Sometimes embedding code can feel daunting, but Wix makes it really approachable. Now from the Embed options, select Popular Embed and then click on HTML iframe. This essentially lets you embed outside code, like your chatbot, inside a little window on your site. If you're wondering why we use this method, HTML embeds are a secure way to place outside sources, keeping your site's performance smooth and ensuring your chatbot works as expected. Once you click it, Wix will drop a new element onto your page, a gray or white box that says something like "Enter your code here." Don't worry if the placement isn't perfect. You can drag and resize it to fit naturally into your layout later on. Here comes the main event, pasting your chatbot code. Copy the embed code you got from Custom GPT. Usually this starts with iframe or script and includes all the instructions for displaying your chatbot. Carefully paste it into the HTML code window that Wix provides. If you've never pasted code before, rest easy. It's just a matter of copying and pasting, no programming skills required. Double-check that you copied the code in its entirety. A missing character can break things, but if anything goes wrong, you can always paste it again. After pasting, take a look at the embed box on your page. It'll preview how your chatbot looks live. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load or if the preview seems a little sluggish. Sometimes elements refresh slowly in the editor, but it'll be fast once your site is published. Now would be a good time to adjust the size and placement so the chatbot feels welcoming but not intrusive to your visitors. And there you go, your chatbot is now part of your Wix website. Just save your changes and publish your site to make everything live for your audience. If you ever want to tweak the chatbot's look or location, you can always jump back into the editor and update your HTML embed box. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, run into any hiccups, or want to see more Wix tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides and website tutorials. Good luck with your chatbot, and I'll see you in the next video.